Hey. Yep, I'm here. Look, just because we were arguing before doesn't mean I'm gonna leave you to find your way home in the rain, okay? I said I'd pick you up, so here I am. Really? So you'd rather walk home alone and get soaked rather than just share an umbrella with me? Grow up, would you? Fine. I don't know why I bothered coming to get you. Just come on, please. You'll just catch a cold walking home in this. Like, we don't even have to talk or anything, just let me get you to the bus stop at least. Yeah, well,